A fluorescent lamp is a low-weight mercury vapor lamp that uses fluorescence to deliver visible light. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect one fluorescent tube lamp, then how to connect two parallel fluorescent lamps. At the end, we will create another circuit with electronic ballast. Consider subscribing to Electrical Engineering and Planning channel to support our community. Also, don't forget to share, like, and let knowledge enlighten your world. Let's start by connecting one lamp. Bring the lamp, a starter, a choke coil, or we can call it a ballast, and a light switch. Connect the line power source to one pin of the switch. Connect the other pin of the switch to one pin of the choke coil. Connect the other pin of the choke coil to one terminal of the lamp. Connect the adjacent terminal of the lamp to the first terminal of the starter. The second terminal of the starter shall be connected to the third pin of the lamp. The last pin of the lamp will be connected to neutral. For two parallel fluorescent tubes, we will duplicate the ballast and the starter. Connect the line source to one pin of the switch. The other pin will be connected to one pin of each ballast. The other pin of the two ballasts will be connected to one pin of the lamps. The other adjacent pin will be connected to one of each starter, and the second pin of starters to the third pin of each lamp. And at last, the neutral will be connected to the last pin. If we have an electronic ballast, we will connect the line source to one pin of a switch. The other pin of the switch will be connected to the L terminal of the electronic ballast. Neutral will be connected directly to N terminal of electronic ballast. Terminal 1 and 2 will be connected to the two adjacent pins of the lamp. And at last, connect 3 and 4 to the other two adjacent pins of the lamp. Stay tuned to our Industrial Classic Control course, which will be completely free on YouTube channel. Consider subscribing to Electrical Engineering Planning channel to support our community. Also, don't forget to share, like, and let knowledge enlighten your world. Thanks for watching.